Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. Sweet potato balls are a light, airy snack that's commonly found in Taiwanese night markets. Made from a batter of mashed sweet potatoes and flour, these balls are deep-fried until they puff up and become crispy on the outside while remaining soft and fluffy on the inside. They're slightly sweet with the natural flavor of the sweet potatoes shining through. Sweet potato balls are often enjoyed as a snack or dessert, with their crispy texture and subtle sweetness making them a hit among both locals and tourists. This snack epitomizes the Taiwanese love for sweet potatoes, showcasing this versatile ingredient in a fun and delicious way. Join us on Happy English as we navigate through bustling night markets and roadside stalls, savoring everything from bubble tea to stinky tofu and discovering the stories behind these iconic street foods.